Trojan. The third type of malware is the Trojan. A Trojan disguises itself as a benign application, say for instance an antivirus update or a game or an advertisement, by wrapping itself up to the application. Trojan is a destructive piece of code with payload, concealer, and wrapper as its components. Payload. It is the actual piece of malcode that does the destructive work. Concealer. It uses concealment techniques in order to hide itself and prevent itself from being identified by any anti-malware programs. Renaming. It renames itself as a non-malicious application, e.g. trojan.bat, to run DLL. Corruption. It corrupts the security software in the system, which is responsible for detecting the malware. Polymorphic code. As the name says, polymorphic code is the code that changes itself each time it runs, but the function of the code or its semantics will not change at all. For example, if the key to deliver the payload is 12, the code used to achieve this result varies, such as 6 by 2 or 2 by 6. Having seen this, let's move on to the final component, wrapper. Wrapper is the benign application that covers the Trojan and helps it to run in the background. Trojan allows one to gain access of another system, making the infected system respond to it that appears like a client-server architecture. A normal communication channel between a client and a server is termed as an overt channel. However, when the client, which is the attacker, sends a payload to the server, which is the victim, the attacker gains access to the victim's machine. This communication channel, normally known as overt channel, becomes a covert channel when used to perform unauthorized activities.